Hey there guys, this is Coach Toy for you, back with another Edabit problem. This one's called string to integer and vice versa. So it says write two functions. A function to convert a string to an integer and a function to convert an integer to a string. So you can see from the examples, we have to turn a string, which has 77, to integer 77, a string that has 532 to an integer 532. And then we have um, an int of 77, and we have to turn into a string of 77, and an int of 532, and we have to turn into a string of 532. So let's go to code tab, and as you can see, we're going to deal with this function first to int, and we have right here, this is going to be the string that we're going to have to manipulate and turn into an integer. So what we're going to do is return int, and then we're going to put the name text inside to turn into a integer. And right here, this function toString, so we got to turn the num into a string. So we're going to return, this is going to be, it's right here, this is short for string. And we're going to be able to turn the integer into a string. So let's see if it works out. As you can see, it passed the test. And if you want more coding solutions, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.